Hello students, let us continue to study the chapter Perimeter and Area. Previous classes we have been discussing about what was perimeter. So we saw it was the distance which was covered around the object, and the area which was the amount of space which an object is taking. We learn about the area of a square and a rectangle. So today we shall study about the area of a parallelogram. So we know a parallelogram is a geometric figure in which the two sides are parallel. दो sides parallel होने का मतलब ये होता है कि वो दो sides कभी भी एक दूसरे को join करके नहीं मिल सकते. Okay? So we learn first how to derive the formula for the area of a parallelogram. So for that, we will first consider a rectangle. We know in a rectangle, this we consider as the length, and this we consider as the breadth. So I will write the area of a parallelogram is equal to the area of a rectangle. Now we've already learned the area of a rectangle is equal to the length times the breadth. So length multiplied by breadth. Now, in the case of a parallelogram, I know that the length, I will denote it with the letter B and I will call it as the base. And the breadth of the rectangle, I will represent it as the height with the letter H. So I will write the length as B, which is the base, and the breadth is the height. So the base is represented with the letter B, while the height is represented by the letter H. So the area of a parallelogram will be equal to base times height. In order to understand this formula, let us apply this formula in the given problems. So here I have the problem where I need to find the area of a parallelogram having base 8 centimeters and height 3 centimeters. So just write down the base 8 centimeters and the height is 3 centimeters. So you have been given base as 8 and height as 3. I need to find the area of the parallelogram. First, I write the formula for area of parallelogram, that is base multiplied by height. I know the base is equal to 8 centimeters and the height is equal to 3 centimeters. So what I need to do is I need to multiply 8 by 3. Eight multiplied by 3 will be 24. And I have centimeter multiplied by centimeter. So centimeter raised to the power 1 multiplied by centimeter raised to the power 1. What I can do is I will use the method of indices where if I have a common base, in this case which is centimeter, I can add the powers. So I have 1 and 1. So I will write 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. So I will get the answer is equal to 24 centimeter square. We shall solve another problem. Here we are told to find the area of a parallelogram having the base is 8 centimeters and height 2 centimeters. So base is 8 centimeter. And it has a height 2 centimeters. Here we need to find the area of the parallelogram. So I need to write the formula, which is area of a parallelogram, which is equal to base multiplied by height. Base is 8 centimeters, height is 2 centimeters. What I need to do, I need to multiply 8 with 2. So 8 multiplied by 2, which will be 16. And again, centimeter multiplied by centimeter. Centimeter is to the power 1 and centimeter is to the power 1. So using the law of indices, I will get so 1 plus 1 will be, which will be 16 centimeter square. So this was all about the area of a parallelogram. So thank you, students.